My dear brothers and sisters, the invitation of Jesus in our gospel has a lot to remind us for our everyday living. Lahat po tayo ay dadaan sa transaksyon o sa pakikipag-usap. We always encounter people whom we wish to speak with. But for some would be alone or in isolation, but still, nevertheless, thoughts would still flow from their heads. I engage myself as I speak to you. Speaking could be your daily hobby. Speaking could be part of your work or of your life. But sometimes, what comes out of us, what we speaking might be the first level of sinning. Marahil ang buong akala natin na ang pagkakasala sa iba o sa Diyos ay kasalanan na kapag nakita na natin ito. But that could just be the second level of the experience of sin. Dahil baka ang nauna bago gawin ang kasalanan ay ang makaisip ng masama, hindi na pag-isipan kung ano ang gagawin o mas masahol ang hindi mapagdasalan ang dapat gawin. The crowds around Jesus all the while thought that what comes into their mouths are the most defiling things that they will ever receive. Pero ang lahat pala na nanggagaling sa ating kalooban, ang maaaring makasira sa atin, ang madala tayo sa kasalanan o makasira sa relasyon na pinakaiingatan natin. At marahil, eventually, what are within us, maybe those things that can defile even our relationship with God. My dear brothers and sisters, we are careful of what we take, be it food or drink. Maingat tayo dahil baka makadagdag ito ng taba, baka makadagdag ng acid, baka makadagdag ng sakit sa katawan. But if we are careful on what we take, are we careful as well of what's inside of us? Are we aware or careful of what we are thinking on or how we are thinking? Are we careful even with what we are to say to each and every one of us? Baka kung di tayo nagsasala o nagsusuri o marahil hindi na natin pinagdadasala ng ating mga nasa isip o ang ating nasa diwa, una na tayong pinabibigatan nito bago pa man natin ito sabihin sa bawat isa. If we are careful on what we take, let us be careful, discerning, and prayerful on what we are to say and how we are to live. Discern before speaking. Think of what you are to say and pray before you say it to others. Masakit o nakakapinsala ang gumamit ng kamay o ng armas. Pero ang isang diwa na hindi pinagdasalan at pinag-isipan, baka yan ang mas matindi ang tama at siyang hindi pa makatao para sa araw-araw.